Well, hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, hopefully you caught me last week. I came out of hibernation and we went down trail, down that way at Lansford Canal State Park, and now I'm ready for a little snack. So I got myself a little fruit jerky, and I'm ready for a little trail brew. So I got some vanilla chai tea, and I thought that would be a great time to talk to you about one of my favorite little cook sets, this here Esbit. Here it is right here. That's this part number CS585HA. So if you're not familiar with these sets, what you get here is a cook pot, the lid, a stove, and 2 stuff sacks. That's right, your stove sits in a stuff sack and your cook pot sits in a stuff sack. And I like to put my fuel, you use, where is it? I set it down here someplace. There it is, Esbit fuel. That's what it uses, the hard stuff. Anyways, one of the things I like about it is I just count out how many of these cubes I need for a trip, and I stick them into the pot along with some wooden matches. So if we take off our first stuff sack, we got our pot, and you see my bottom's all blackened where I've been using it. And inside of that we got another stuff sack with our stove. Well, let's light this sucker up. One of the nice things about these sets is you don't have to worry about alcohol spilling. You basically get 1 boil per cube. And let me show you, I just like to set my match. I just like to set my match in one of the cube grooves with the flame hanging off, and it'll run up to the cube and ignite it. Every once in a while the first match doesn't do it though, and you gotta go for a second. Let's see, I don't think we have any flame there. Nope. There we go. See how the cube's starting to turn brown? She's lighting now. You got these fold out handles for your cook pot, and you got these nice measurements that are stamped right in there. We're going to do about 8 ounces of water for our cup of tea. There we go, water's on. It's just that easy. And there she goes. She's doing some cooking stuff. Well, boiling water. That's all I use this set for. It's when I'm doing my dehydrated meals. We'll go ahead and get my cup ready while the water boils. Do you have a favorite tea that you like to take on the trail? Well, while I'm watching the water boil, I'll let you look at a few of the stats on the cook pot. So my set is whoa, that's not right. My set is 8.5 ounces. That's with the 2 stuff sacks, the cook pot, the stove, and the lid. And a little residue from the fuel I've used, because I use this set quite a lot. Let's see here. If you're into grams, that comes out at 239 grams. Now the set's so about 5 inches across, a little under, maybe 4.5. And we gotta go up there to the top of the ball there. We're about 5 inches tall. Well, let's go see if we're done boiling. Oh, we've got boil action. Now, some people will blow that out and save that little bit of cube to use. I just let them burn out. I might throw my pot on there sometimes and let it dry it out, but that's about it. Well, in addition to the nice marks, nice measurement marks on the stove system, and its lightweightness and compactness, you've also got these rubberized handles that make it easy to handle when it's hot. The bottom of the stove has little feet on it also, so I'm not going to burn this picnic table while I'm boiling my water. Now, it does have a couple of drawbacks. Number one, you need those little Esbit cubes to burn in it, or something like them. And also, it smells a little bit. I mean, they got a little bit of a pungent, wow, those kind of stink when you burn them. But as long as you got a little breeze through camp, you're good. But anyways, it's one of my favorites, at least for my 2 to 3 day backpacking trips. Boils up some water for a fresh brew, one of those dehydrated meals. And you know, you just can't beat that. It's simple and it works. It doesn't matter if it's cold like the canister stoves. But look here, we'll see you on the trail.